My name is Jim Nessel. I'm the heating and air conditioning instructor for North Florida College. Master the theories of heating and air conditioning and refrigeration, as well as electricity. Once our students master our basic machines and get a good knowledge of the theory, we can then move them on to our more advanced machines, like our heat pump models, our mini split models, and our commercial refrigeration models. Students will test for national certifications throughout this program, including an EPA refrigerant handling license and the North American Technician Excellence licenses. When they pass, they will have an opportunity for employment coast to coast. Students will